Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Maheshri Kaple, IVF consultant Progenesis Fertility Center, Bashi, Navi Mumbai. Today we are going to know about what is low testosterone levels in female and how it affects the female fertility. Testosterone, often thought as a male hormone, though its levels are very low in female, but it plays very important role in female fertility. What are the causes of low testosterone? Reduced testosterone levels can occur at any age but are more common during and after menopause. Other causes are like surgical removal of ovaries, adrenal gland disorders, chronic illnesses like diabetes, thyroid, autoimmune disorders, obesities, birth control pills, stress. Prolonged stress can have an impact on hormone production. Medications like corticosteroid can interfere with the hormone levels. How to identify the symptoms of low testosterone? Females can experience thinning of hair, loss of libido, decrease in bone density, irregular cycles, fatigue, mood swings, reduced ovarian reserve, anovulations, dry and brittle skin, trouble in sleep, vaginal dryness, weight gain, and brain fog. How it affects the female fertility? Testosterone plays a crucial role in production and release of egg from the ovaries, which is called as ovulation. In women with low testosterone may experience irregular cycles, anovulation means no release of egg. This can make it very difficult to conceive. In addition to that, low testosterone can lead to decrease in quality and quantity of the egg which is produced, which can affect the fertility. What is the treatment of low testosterone? Lifestyle changes like exercise, strength training can boost the testosterone levels and improve muscle tone. Healthy diet, balanced diet with healthy fats can support hormone production. Stress management can be done by mindfulness, yoga, therapy. It can help to reduce testosterone levels by reducing stress. HRT, testosterone replacement therapy, may be recommended in certain cases, especially if the symptoms are very severe. It can be administered through gel, creams, patches, pellets, and injections. DHEA supplements can be given in certain patients. Addressing underlying conditions like thyroid disorders, adrenal issues, or medications can help in improving testosterone levels. Addressing the root cause can improve the symptoms. I hope all your queries and doubts regarding low testosterone levels and its effects on female fertility has been cleared by this video. If any queries, please drop your comments below. Thank you.